Hey loves, it's Brianna K. Today's video is going to be so much motivation. This is a back to school deep clean, declutter, organize. For me, it always feels like back to school is more of a new year than in January. So let's start this new school year off with everything cleaned, organized, and decluttered.
We have so many boxes to go through. And coming soon. Of course, dishes to do. Gang's all here. I also decided to try this for just like mopping in there where the puppies are.
Just wanted to have a little real talk because I'm in the mode where I'm feeling very, very overwhelmed. And it's like I'm procrastinating starting because of how overwhelmed I feel with everything I have to do. And I'm like, there's only so many hours left in the day. And I'm just procrastinating. So I know what I need to do is just get started. So that's what I'm gonna encourage you to do as you have this video on, just get started doing something. I recently read a fact too that said, just do something for 2 minutes and then it gets so much easier to keep doing it. So let's just get to it. Get all that stuff together. I know back to school time, there's just so many things that can be quite overwhelming. So we're in this together and I'm hoping that you get tons of not only encouragement, but motivation from today's video, and we're in this together.
And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
So have your kids gone back to school yet? Because I feel like now is the perfect time to start a new routine, have that fresh start feeling. My older kids, they went back to school this week, but my youngest, he doesn't start preschool until after Labor Day, but it still just feels like a great time to have everything clean, organized, and have that clean slate for all the fall decor that is coming soon. So make sure you've subscribed, have your notifications turned on, and that way you will not miss the 2025 Fall Clean and Decorate with Me. That is going to be the next video on my channel. Now let's give the sink a good scrub. The stovetop also needed a good scrub, so I'm using my Dawn Power Wash to clean it.
Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah, maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby.
Next, I've got some laundry to fold, so if you've got any clothes, whether you have to fold them, put them away, throw them in the laundry, go grab that basket and let's tackle the laundry together.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now.
And I found this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It's clementine scented. I love it. It has such a clean citrus smell. It's perfect for the end of summer into fall cleaning transition, but I just wanted to give everything in here a good dusting. Now time to clean the floors in here, so starting with a quick vacuum.
I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall.
Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Okay, I know I lit candles obviously, but that Febreze smell floor cleaner, it smells so fresh and clean in here now. I love it. Definitely recommend. Putting the puppy pen back together. The girls are getting so big already. I cannot believe it. They just went to the vet for their second round of shots. Puka is already over 5 pounds. So she's gained like 2 pounds since I had her. And then Coco, which she's always going to be smaller than Puka, she's gained about 1 pound since I had her. She's still not quite 4 pounds, but I cannot believe it. They're getting so big. They are in the throes of teething. So we've been doing a lot of frozen treats to help them. And potty training has been going pretty well. They're catching on. We're not fully potty trained, but have definitely gotten to routine, keeping it consistent with them. And it goes without saying, we will always miss Coley, but it has been really nice having dogs back in the house again. It just makes it feel more like a home, and I have been so happy with these 2 sweet girls. And on days like today, when I'm cleaning and moving around nonstop, I rely on Lumi to keep me feeling fresh all day long. And a huge thank you to Lumi for sponsoring today's video. Lumi is a whole body deodorant. It's designed by an OBGYN. It's clinically proven to control odor for up to 72 hours. The Lumi is aluminum free, it's baking soda free, and it is safe to use on any external body part, from your pits to your feet to your privates. And I just love how this smells. It is so clean and cozy. And Lumi has so many other products that I really love. These are their deodorant wipes. I love packing these in my gym bag or when I'm traveling to have with me in the airport. This is their body wash, and you smell so clean after using this. And you can get their deodorant in a solid stick. There's also this invisible spray, and I really love the soft powder scent of this one. And then this is the invisible cream. All you have to do is put a little pea-sized amount wherever you are looking for odor protection, rub it in, and it smells so good. I love all of Lumi's scents because they're very clean and not overpowering. But my favorites are the Cool Cucumber of the wipes. I really do love this Vanilla Bliss. And the other one I was going to mention is I have the Toasted Coconut as well. You've got to try Lumi too. Right now, their starter kit bundle is a great deal for new customers. There's so many great products for you to try in this bundle. You get a full stick deodorant. You can pick between the deodorant spray or the deodorant cream. Plus, you get to try 2 free products like the wipes or the mini body wash. There's free US shipping, and just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra $5 off by scanning my QR code here or using my link down below with the code BITS when you check out. That's a deal of over 40% off. And thank you again to Lumi for sponsoring today's video and helping me to always smell fresh and clean. So I had a ton of boxes that had built up from some of the back to school clothes and some outfits that I'd ordered for some special events that I had in August. And I also had some PR boxes that I needed to open. So just going through everything and then figuring out what needed to go where.
I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark?
and I wanted to start taking down the summer decor just to get everything ready for the fall decorate with me, which again, that will be my next video. So get ready. Have those notifications turned on.
I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting.
This side of the basement actually isn't horrible right now. Just needs kind of a quick tidy. I want to vacuum and everything. However, this side of the basement has just been, you know, kind of things haphazardly tossed here. And I'm transitioning it to more of a workout area for me. I just got this new treadmill. So let's start tidying this all up. This eventually just needs a good declutter, but I'm not gonna be able to do it today. We're gonna focus on this space today. And gonna be turning this into a more functional workout zone. Not have all this junk all over. I'm just going to get started by getting everything cleared off of here and just putting it back to either where it belongs or figuring out if it was something that could be donated, and then whatever was trash got tossed.
Seem to get it right. Another heart attack. Words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all.
Then I had a pile of clothes that Landon had outgrown that Hayden isn't quite big enough for yet. So I found an empty bin, put all of those clothes in there. And then I also had to organize some of the shoes because Hayden actually can wear some of the shoes that I had down there already. But then other ones I'm just gonna save as well.
Just magically turn up in mine. Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel
Now just wiping down the bar area.
you just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing.
Oh my goodness. We've got what? A big old mess. We're gonna try to color coordinate these books. Everybody's trying to make a mess?
Yeah. I didn't make a mess.
You didn't make the mess, but you're gonna help me organize it, right?
Why? It's not in my job.
It's not your job. Well, it's not my job either. Kind of is, but. Huh?
Cause why me instead make a mess?
Why we make a mess? Well, we're gonna organize this and it's gonna look so nice when we're done.
Why me? Why?
We don't have to cry about it. I know that it looks messy, but Mommy is here to help.
Why?
And we're gonna do this together. It's gonna be fun.
You read all these books up?
Yeah, we're gonna put them in colors, Hayden, and make a rainbow on the books. Hayden is usually a great little helper, but I think he was a little hangry. Don't we all get that way sometimes?
Feels right. Oh, yeah. Feels right. Feels right. Feels For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in.
Okay, everything has been sorted by spine. Don't mind there's some cat vomit there that I need to clean. I'm gonna put everything back in. And now just going to put the books in a rainbow order on the shelf.
To see where this is going, I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for
There's just a few more books that won't fit, but it's okay because I have space on other shelves over there. So there's just gonna be a little bit of library overflow. Probably a good reason to just kind of like go through with the kids too and be like, is there any we've like really outgrown? I was trying to pull a couple as I did this, but okay, it might be dumb, but it makes my heart so happy. Taking a quick break for dinner.
Dinner. Duh.
Yum.
Dinner, duh.
My dinner.
My
good?
dinner.
Your dinner good?
Yeah, I like the steak.
Good?
Already ate my broccoli. Mom.
So healthy.
Mama.
All right, last thing we're going to do today is vacuum down here and just thank you so much for doing all of this decluttering and organize and cleaning with me today. I hope that you feel so much better. Like I said in the beginning, I get it. Sometimes it can be really overwhelming when you have a huge to-do list and so many things going on and you're on the brink of all these new things and this new schedule and this new routine, but just get started and you will feel so much better, I promise you. All right, I will see you on the 2025 Fall Clean and Decorate With Me video. Make sure you're subscribed and notifications are turned on so you don't miss it, and sending you all the love. Until then.
Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.